Hello friends, after learning how to create a Gmail account, today we will learn how to send an email. Yes, now let's quickly understand how to send an email. You just have to click here on compose button, this red color compose button. The moment you click here, you get this small box which says recipient, subject and the mail body. Recipient means to whom you want to send a mail. Subject means the subject of this mail, and this is the main text body area where you have to send your message. Now here you can see the small arrow. The moment you click there, it will give you a bigger picture, which means that it can give you a larger screen of your mail which you are drafting to someone. While drafting a mail, if you want to minimize this mail, you can just click here on the minimize. It will keep here on the bottom of your page and you can do other activity in your email. Now let's start drafting a email. Now you can see this two, and here it is a CC and a BCC. Now I'll make you understand what is to, what is CC and what is BCC. First I'm sending a to computer kit dot hindi at gmail.com. This is the email ID to whom I am sending this email. Now I'm ending a CC. CC means that you want to notify someone that I have sent an email to computerkit.hindi at gmail.com. So I'm notifying it to computerkit.gujarati at gmail.com. So now the moment I will send this email, this will go to both of them, but this guy, the computerkit.hindi, can see that the same mail has been sent to computerkit.gujarati at gmail.com as well. But you can see here BCC. This is one more option. The moment you click here, you have additional field to type an email. I am again here typing computerkit.english@gmail.com. Now, the moment I will send this email will go to all three of them email ID, but this two email ID will never come to know that the same email has been sent to this third person as well, because this is a BCC. That means it is a hidden, that you are sending someone notification that I have sent this email to these two people, just to bring this third person into notice. Now I will show you how exactly it will seen in all these three inboxes. Now let's say I'm sending, I'm typing in subject. Subject will be learning computers. Okay, you can see here it has came here learning computers. This will be the subject of the video of the mail. I'm typing here email. This video is for learning computers. Now you can see this Gmail also has a autocorrect spelling option. The moment you right click here, Google will show you three options, this kind of option, that what word would you like to add here in this draft. I am saying learning, so automatically that word will replace. I am saying regards computer kit. Now I am sending this email. This email will go to all three, but these two will not be able to notify that this has been marked a BCC to this person as well. Now I am clicking here on a send button. Your message has been sent. View message. That means it will take you to sent item. To all these people it has been sent. Subject line in bold letters, and this is the message. Now you can see here inbox, there is one message. It is saying to me only because it has been sent from the same email ID, that is computerkit.english@gmail.com. I'm just opening this email. Now you can see here show details. On the small arrow you click here, show details. It is showing me that it has been sent from this ID to this email ID, and it has been marked a CC to this email ID, and it has been marked to me as a BCC. Now this BCC won't be visible in about two inboxes. Now I will show you how. I am logging off from this email ID and I will log into computerkit.hindi. You can see this Bimal Bhatt learning computers. The same email has came here. The moment I click here, the same arrow is here. You can click on this show detail. Now here you can see the only two ID and a CC ID is visible. The BCC which was visible here to computerkit.english is not visible here. So this Hindi and Gujarati person will not be able to understand that this has been marked as a BCC to some other person. Now the same email I will show you by logging into a Gujarati email ID. I am going to the third email ID. Say next. You can see here from Bimal Bhatt, subject says learning computer. Hello, this video is learning computers, regards Computer Kit. I am clicking here. Now we can see the CC, this ID computerkit.gujarati@gmail.com was marked in a CC. So you can see it is there in the CC. So you have notified that this email has been sent to computerkit.hindi@gmail.com, but again you can see there is no BCC visible here. So to means to whom you want to send an email, CC means to whom you want to notify that you have sent an email to someone, and BCC means you want to hide the email ID to whom you want to notify. Okay, so this is how you can send an email through Gmail. Thank you for watching this video. Down here you can see the red button subscribe. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button. That will help you to update about all our latest videos, and also give a thumbs up to this video and keep watching our channel computerkit.english@gmail.com. Thank you.